Low water pressure is one of the most frustrating plumbing problems. A weak shower, a sink that barely fills a glass, a toilet that takes forever to refill. But here's what most people don't know. Low water pressure almost always has a specific cause, and most of those causes have a DIY fix. Let me show you how to diagnose yours. First thing to figure out, is it one fixture or your whole house? Turn on a tap in the kitchen, then check a bathroom, then the shower. If only one fixture has low pressure, the problem is local. The aerator or shower head is clogged with mineral deposits. If every fixture in the house has low pressure, the problem is at the main supply level. For a single fixture fix, unscrew the aerator from the tip of the faucet. It's the small screen-covered piece at the end. Soak it in white vinegar overnight. The mineral deposits will dissolve. Rinse and reinstall. For a shower head, remove it and soak the whole thing in vinegar in a plastic bag overnight. If the whole house has low pressure, check these 4 things in order. First, the main shutoff valve. Find the main water shutoff valve where water enters your home, usually near the water meter, in a basement or utility room, or outside near the foundation. Make sure it's fully open. A valve that's only partially open will reduce pressure throughout the whole house. Second, the pressure regulator. Most homes have a bell-shaped pressure regulator on the main line. These last 10-15 years before failing. A failed regulator can cause both low pressure and dangerously high pressure. You can test your water pressure with a gauge that attaches to any outdoor hose bib. It costs about $10 at a hardware store. Normal household pressure is 40-80 psi. Below 40 psi means you likely need a new regulator. That's a plumber job. Third, supply line corrosion. Older homes with galvanized steel pipes experience internal corrosion that narrows the pipe diameter over decades. If your home is over 50 years old and you've always had low pressure, this may be the cause. Replacing supply lines is a larger project, but permanently fixes the problem. Fourth, municipal supply issue. Call your water utility company. Sometimes low pressure is on their end, not yours. They can tell you in 2 minutes and save you hours of troubleshooting. Start with the aerator fix. It costs nothing and solves about 40% of low pressure complaints. Work through the checklist before spending money on a plumber. Subscribe for next week. I'm covering every type of pipe in your home, what they're made of, and which ones you actually need to worry about. Subscribe to the Trades Forge for more DIY trades tips, new videos weekly.